In this video, I will be showing you how to use PureTalk international roaming. For that, the process is very simple and easy. I'll be providing PureTalk a link in the description below so guys can check out their website. And if you're new to our channel, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future update. So what is PureTalk? PureTalk is basically stay connected while you're abroad. With PureTalk, you can use your phone like you do at home with talk, text, and data in 50 plus destinations. So how does it work? Use your phone and plan outside the US. Up to $20 fee in free international credits automatically apply to your account each month. Only pay for what you use. No overages or surprise charges using your phone in 50 plus destination outside of the US. Ability to add an additional international credit as needed, starting at just rupees $10. So how does it work? Travel to your international destination. Every plan includes up to $20 per month of the international credit, so your phone will work in 50 plus countries automatically. No SIM swapping or apps required. Use your phone internationally like you do at home. Simply, what you have to do is to simply install the um, plan of the every monthly plan. Simply buy the monthly plan and use the same SIM in over 50 plus destinations. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this really helpful.